Hello, everyone. Today's topic is daily routine. In this conversation, two people talk about their daily life. They talk about waking up, going to work, eating meals, relaxing, and sleeping. The sentences are simple and clear. This conversation is good for beginners at A1 to A2 level. You can listen, repeat, and practice speaking English step by step. Hi, David. How are you today?
Hi, Sarah. I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm good, just a little tired.
Why are you tired?
I woke up early this morning.
What time do you wake up every day?
I usually wake up at 6 o'clock.
That's early.
Yes, but I like mornings.
What do you do after you wake up?
First, I get out of bed.
Me too.
Then I wash my face and brush my teeth.
I do the same things.
After that, I make my bed.
I don't always make my bed.
Really?
Sometimes I'm in a hurry.
What do you do next?
I take a shower.
In the morning?
Yes, it helps me feel fresh.
After my morning routine, I have breakfast.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I usually eat bread and eggs.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I drink 1 cup of coffee.
I drink coffee too.
Do you eat breakfast at home?
Yes, I eat at home.
After breakfast, I get dressed.
What do you wear to work?
I wear simple clothes.
Me too.
How do you go to work?
I go to work by bus.
How long does it take?
About 30 minutes.
I go to work by car.
Is it far?
Not really, it takes 20 minutes.
What time do you start work?
I start work at 9 o'clock.
I start at 8:30.
What do you do at work?
I work in an office.
Me too.
I use a computer all day.
Same here.
It can be tiring.
Yes, very tiring.
Do you have a break at work?
Yes, I have a short break in the morning.
What do you do during the break?
I drink water and talk with my coworkers.
That's nice.
Yes, it helps me relax.
What about lunch?
I eat lunch at 12 o'clock.
Me too.
What do you eat for lunch?
I usually eat rice or noodles.
I eat rice or a sandwich.
Do you eat lunch alone or with friends?
I eat with my coworkers.
I eat with my team too.
After lunch, I feel sleepy.
Me too.
The afternoon is hard.
Yes, it is.
What time do you finish work?
I finish work at 5 o'clock.
I finish at 5:30.
What do you do after work?
I go home and rest.
Do you exercise?
Sometimes I walk in the evening.
That's good.
What about you?
I go to the gym 2 days a week.
That's great.
It helps me stay healthy.
What do you do at home in the evening?
I cook dinner.
Do you cook every day?
Not every day, but often.
I cook dinner too.
What do you usually eat?
Simple food like soup or vegetables.
I like simple food.
Me too.
After dinner, what do you do?
I watch TV or listen to music.
I watch TV and check my phone.
Do you use your phone a lot?
Yes, maybe too much.
Same here.
Do you study English every day?
Yes, I study a little every day.
That's good.
I listen to English podcasts.
I read simple English stories.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 11 o'clock.
I go to bed at 10:30.
Do you sleep well?
Yes, most of the time.
That's good.
How many hours do you sleep?
About 7 hours.
That's healthy.
Do you use your phone before sleeping?
Sometimes, but I try not to.
Me too.
A good routine is important.
Yes, it helps us feel better every day.
I like talking about daily life in English.
Me too. It's useful and easy.
We don't need difficult words.
Just simple sentences.
And practice every day.
Exactly.
Tomorrow will be another busy day.
Yes, but a good day.
I hope so.
Me too.
Hi, Michael. How are you today?
Hi, Emily. I'm good. How about you?
I'm fine, just a little sleepy.
Sleepy? Did you not sleep well?
I slept okay, but I woke up early.
What time did you wake up today?
I woke up at 5:30.
That is very early.
Yes, earlier than usual.
What time do you usually wake up?
Around 6 o'clock.
I wake up at 6:30.
Are you a morning person?
Not really.
Me neither.
What do you do when you wake up?
First, I turn off my alarm.
Me too.
Then I stay in bed for a few minutes.
I do that too.
Sometimes I check my phone.
I check my phone every morning.
After that, I get up and go to the bathroom.
Same here.
I brush my teeth and wash my face.
I do that every day.
Do you take a shower in the morning?
Yes, I take a shower every morning.
I usually shower at night.
Why at night?
It helps me relax before sleeping.
That makes sense.
After my morning routine, I make breakfast.
Do you cook breakfast?
Yes, but very simple food.
What do you eat?
I eat bread, eggs, or fruit.
I eat cereal or toast.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, 1 cup every morning.
I drink coffee too.
Black coffee or milk coffee?
Milk coffee.
Same here.
Do you eat breakfast alone?
Yes, I live alone.
I live with my sister.
Do you talk in the morning?
Not much. We are quiet.
Mornings are quiet for me too.
After breakfast, I get dressed.
What do you wear to work?
Casual clothes.
Me too.
How do you go to work?
I take the subway.
How long does it take?
About 40 minutes.
That's a long time.
Yes, but I listen to music.
I listen to podcasts.
English podcasts?
Yes, simple English podcasts.
That's good practice.
What time do you start work?
I start at 9.
I start at 8:30.
What do you do at work?
I work at an office.
Me too.
I sit at a desk all day.
Same here.
Sometimes my back hurts.
Mine too.
Do you take breaks at work?
Yes, short breaks.
What do you do during breaks?
I stand up and walk around.
That's good.
I also drink water.
Staying healthy is important.
What time do you eat lunch?
At 12 o'clock.
Me too.
What do you eat for lunch?
Rice, chicken, or vegetables?
I eat rice or salad.
Do you eat out or bring food?
I bring food from home.
I eat out sometimes.
Do you eat lunch alone?
Sometimes alone, sometimes with coworkers.
I eat with my team.
After lunch, do you feel sleepy?
Yes, very sleepy.
The afternoon is hard.
I drink tea in the afternoon.
I drink more coffee.
Too much coffee is not good.
I know, but I like it.
What do you do in the afternoon at work?
I answer emails and finish tasks.
Same for me.
What time do you finish work?
At 5:30.
I finish at 6.
What do you do after work?
I go home and rest.
Me too.
Do you cook dinner?
Yes, almost every day.
What do you cook?
Simple food like soup or pasta.
I cook rice and vegetables.
That sounds healthy.
Do you watch TV after dinner?
Sometimes.
I watch TV every night.
What do you watch?
News or simple shows.
I watch movies or videos.
Do you study English at night?
Yes, for 20 minutes.
That's great.
I read easy English sentences.
I practice speaking alone.
Speaking is important.
Yes, practice every day.
What time do you go to bed?
Around 11:30.
I go to bed at 10:30.
Do you sleep well?
Most of the time.
That's good.
Do you use your phone before sleeping?
Yes, but I try to stop.
Me too.
A good daily routine helps a lot.
Yes, it makes life easier.
Simple days are good days.
I agree.
Talking about daily life is good English practice.
Yes, it's real and useful.
No difficult words.
Just clear sentences.
And daily practice.
Exactly.
Tomorrow is another workday.
Yes, but that's okay.
We wake up, work, eat, rest, and sleep.
That's daily life.
And that's good English practice.
Yes, every day.
Thank you for listening to today's English conversation about daily routine. We talked about waking up, going to work, eating meals, and going to sleep using simple and natural English. If this conversation helps you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Listening every day will help you speak English with more confidence. See you in the next lesson and keep practicing your English.